All right, and welcome. Today we're going to be continuing our WordPress site development. So I'm going to quickly share my screen so that we can continue. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do, anything you want to continue working on your WordPress site, is to quickly get to your XAMPP control panel. So once you click here, you can simply type in XAMPP. You will see it, click on it, it will open up. Click on Start for the Apache services, and for the MySQL. MySQL is the database that you're using. Apache is the server that you're using. So once you do that, your service is going to start. And once your service starts, you can then go and type localhost / the name of the website. So in this case, /Tclassified, that's the name of my website. I'm going to quickly click on this WordPress. So like I said, today we're going to be very fast. We're going to put the header, we're going to put footer, we're going to put a whole lot of things. So I've already put my own, but I'll still run you through the procedure to put in that. We are going to be very, very fast today, very, very fast, because we need to cover up. Next week, Monday, we are going into Python 2.0. We'll be learning web application development using Django library. We're also going to be learning how to develop Android application using Kiwi, and also how to build desktop application using Kiwi. So we're going to rebuild our inventory application that we built with Enter using Kiwi, so that we can install it, give it out to people to install and use in their system. So it's going to be a form of an executable file. After designing your own, you can give to somebody. Just the way you install your VS Code, isn't it? You give to somebody, install my own inventory. So if you look at everybody's inventory and you see this person's inventory is the best, all of us can install his own. You understand? It will be in form of normal file that you can executable. Then when we do the Android application, you can push it to Google Play Store. Somebody can install and use. Is that clear? So those are the things we'll be looking at next week. You understand? So no matter where we stop here, as we now go, most important thing is for us to learn how to build out a very good website. So that as we now host it, you can now try out other things like Google AdSense. You know, you cannot do Google AdSense and Google Analytics on a website you've not hosted, isn't it? So as you people are preparing to enter that stream of cost, you make out money so that we'll get your website hosted. Is that clear? So I'm going to host all of your websites. All of your websites are going to be hosted. I'm going to host them. Once you finish, I'll host. Is that clear? So that you see your work online. So that you can affect Google Analytics, you can affect other ways of using it to drive traffic and make money and see the way it works. Are we clear on this? The practical class is not too much talking. Everything has to be effectively taken care of. You understand? So that when you go out, you start doing it. You don't need when you go out, you start calling me again. You understand? That's the type of training we are giving you. You go out, you start doing your thing. Once you're off here, you're doing your thing already on yourself, by yourself. Yeah, already. Everything, email. You understand? You can now have Remy at remy.com. It will not be at your website.com. You understand? So that's what we are doing. You understand? So once you get your website fully fitted, then I can host it. And if I'm hosting it now, instead of that 15K or anything, I'm going to host it at a very cheap rate. You understand? Even maybe like 5K or lesser than that. That's what I'm working on. You understand? So that all of you will have your websites online. So that when we start looking at Google AdSense, Google Analytics, you connect that website to it and you see everything, the way everything is working. Are we clear on all this? So can we continue now? So I just did my localhost /Tclassified. You can see now that I have, all of you knew when I snapped this picture, isn't it? You knew when I snapped this, isn't it? So this is now the header picture now that I'm having. And I'm still having my logo, isn't it? Then when you go down here, you now see copyright 2020, Tclassified.com, powered by Tclassified.com. Yesterday it was powered by WordPress and all those, isn't it? So today we are going to learn how to effect it. Then if you look at the background of my work, I've changed it from normal background now, and it's now having my picture at the background. Can you see that? So those were the changes I was able to effect. And I'm going to take you through effecting all those changes now. Like I told you guys, once I'm done designing this website, I'm going to replace my other website with this so that you see the whole process of doing all this. So please, let's get down the lay down. This Tclassified.com dashboard. Everybody get to your dashboard. Get to your dashboard. Let's effect all these changes now. Please, if we are all on our dashboard, let me know. Are we there? Please, I want everybody to indicate so that some people will not say there. Joshua says he's there. Kashmir says he's there. But Remy, are you there? Fortune, are you there? Abdomumin, are you there? Nice one. So let's continue now. Now I'll go to appearance. You know, we've been working on customization, so that's why we're always going to appearance. So you will see header and you see background. Those are the two things I changed yesterday. So click on header. Let's change the header first. You know, you can also go to header from customize, but let's go to it straight from here. So everybody click on your header. So if you click on your header, it takes you also to customize because customize header is also under customize. Are we there now? Please, if we're there, you tell me. So once you get there, you see where they will write here. You know, I'm having my picture here already. But once you go there, what are you seeing there, class? Add image, isn't it? So click on that add image and add your own image. Click on your add image. I'm seeing my image because I've already put my image. So click on that add image and add your image. So once you're done adding your image, you tell me, Ibokwe, all of you, add up your image. The image you added the same way we added the logo. It will show you where to click upload. Click on that upload, get to where you saved your image, add it, and tell me that you've added. Then we can continue. Yeah. Your what? Header. Okay. So can you see customize? Click on customize. You know that if you're using a different, please, for my digital audience, if you're using a different theme than what I'm using, you might not see your header where I saw my own. So if you click on customize, you will not see your header under your customize. Different teams have different patterns of doing it, but almost the same thing.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hola.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, welcome.
Yes, sir. Your own header is big enough, and then it's sitting well. But when you want to crop pictures for headers, then it will be like the space it will be given is so small.
Okay.
It will not even go as far as covering the whole, like this your own now.
Okay, you want it to be my own, like my own. If you get to that cropping place, just
yes,
move your cursor close to the line and drag down. You'll be able to cover more space.
It doesn't move. It will just like it's giving a specific small.
Okay, only small space,
space. Yes.
Because when I went, my own was also okay. Oh yeah, let me go and look at Remy. Remy is having the same issue you're having. Okay, Remy's own is okay. Okay, Remy say you can drag. Just try and drag. Everybody is dragging their own. They say it's perfectly working. Maybe you need to come to our center so that you see everybody is dragging. It's working. So you can get any amount of any volume of header that you want. Just move your cursor to that place. It will change to an arrow. Then drag down. Once you finish dragging down, click on crop and click on select. Your picture will come in. You don't see your header, but okay. You know you're using. You did not use our theme. But can you see customize? Are you in customize? Under customize, are you seeing header or anything there? Okay, no header, no problem. So somebody should help him get our team. Let's use consistent team.
Okay, there is nothing we can do about that, sir.
Yeah, for your own. You maybe when you come tomorrow, I will show you.
Okay, his own was able to effect.
Remy's own is working perfectly.
Yeah.
But some other person that did not use any theme at all, the person is just using the normal WordPress that the initial theme of the WordPress we installed. That's the person that is.
That's the option I have against that.
Okay. So you don't have any problem. Just you can install this Zolo theme you are using, or when you come tomorrow, I will check it out and find out what the problem.
Sorry, sir, how do I install this Zolo?
If you want to install the Zolo, just click on Teams. Then when Teams open, you click on you go to search for where there's a search bar there. You just type in software developer team. That's what we said. So when it came up, we saw that solo option and we picked it and we installed.
All right.
Yeah. So let's continue. Everybody now has a header bar. Remy, does everybody have a header now? So click on publish. You see publish up. Have you clicked on publish now? Good. So now you can now go back and go to view site and see the way your site is looking. I'm going to come by your site so that I will see the way your sites are looking now. Okay, perfect. So to see your site, perfect. Wow. This guy's site is so beautiful. Look at that background. I'm loving it. Your one is also beautiful. It's so real. It shows that you are the person doing it. I like seeing beautiful work. I love seeing beautiful work. Yeah, this is also very mature. That is beautiful. So that's what you do. That's what you do. Okay, so I can see everybody's work is so perfect. So let's get to the next thing. Let's get back to that appearance. Then we'll click on customize. Let's get back to appearance and customize. So what we want to customize now is our footer. You understand? We want to make it to look like our own fully. So once you're in customize, you can see footer. Can you see footer? Click on footer. Then click on below footer. That's what we're working on, below footer. So once you click on below footer, you're gonna see this. So you can see I said powered by Tclassified.com. So I want to see your own powered by, then change this thing to your name. If it is Emos, powered by Emos.net. If it is Casme, powered by Casme.net. So by so doing, you know how they put powered by, you understand? So do that, and I'm going to come by your site, each and every one of you, and see what you've done.
Wow.
Powered by. Nice job by everybody. Please, once you're able to do that, just click on publish, get back to your site, then check your footer now. You see that your footer has changed. Okay. Please, my network briefly went out. Can you people still see me now? Am I still there? Okay. So having done the header and the footer, the next thing is to change the background. To change the what? Background. Let's change the background. And to do that, get back to the appearance, and you are going to see background. Can you see background? If you don't see background here, click on customize, you will now see background. So I'm going to background now. Are we there? So once you're there, you're going to see a space where they say install, isn't it? Or download image, isn't it? So click on it and download. You can see my image is already there. So I'm going to come by your side and check. Once you're done publish, let me check it out. Okay, we all now have background, but do we now all have background? Okay, so we're going to do the last thing for today. So once you put your background, publish, and the last thing we're going to do today, and I'm going to now let you guys work on your website and make it look fine, is that I'm going to teach you how to post. And this time around, post with images added. Post with what? Because the post we did yesterday, there were no images, isn't it? So let's know how you can post. If you have a blog, how can you post with images and do a great job, isn't it? So I'm going to do that now. So click back to your dashboard. Can you see post? Then you click on add new post. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to give somebody my system to continue working on Tclassified website now. So one person that is, who is able, who can do that, who can finish up the work. You're not adding any new thing. Okay, also I'll give Kasmir. Kasmir is going to finish up the website so that by Monday, when I show you Tclassified.com, it will look different. So under my tutelage, he's going to do a very nice work on the job. So every other person should make sure that you continue working on your website so that by Monday we should be hosting and we should be doing other things. We should be moving down to search engine optimization, digital marketing, and other things. So I'm going to teach all those things tomorrow. But by the time you're done with your website, you're going to start applying them. You're going to start doing what? So even when we are learning our Python 2.0 next week, you'll be applying all these skills. So are we under post? We're under post. So what am I going to post? I'm going to post about our Python 2.0 classes that we're going to be having. Our software. Okay, I'm going to post about our software engineering school. So let's say that this is a blog. You understand? So I'm going to say Tclassified.com software engineering school. So I want people to know about Tclassified.com software engineering school. Is that clear? So under here, I'm gonna put a write-up. You understand? So if you want to put a write-up, like I always tell you, you must have gotten the write-up, arranged it very well somewhere, isn't it? you're posting about a news, you must have gotten it, arranged it somewhere. So I'm going to let you follow the right procedure that I would have followed normally. So I'm teaching you how to do this on a normal scale. So if I just get to my desktop, I'll go to my Python 2.0 where I have something about Tclassified.com. So I'm going to open it up and I'm going to simply copy because I've written this down already and I want to use it here. So when I click here, I'm going to say what? Control V, I'll paste. Can you see the right up? We are the best software engineering training school in Nigeria. Here we teach you programming, coding, graphics. Programming, coding, graphics. What are other things we teach here? Somebody should tell me. We teach Excel. Do we teach Excel very well here? What other things? We also teach what? Wordpress. What other things? We teach Flutter here so that you can design web apps. What can design phone application? What other things? We do Jira. Jira project management tool. What other things do we do in Tclassified? We do search engine optimization here, teach you how to optimize your site so that you will drive traffic and make a whole lot of money. What other things do we do here? We do digital marketing here.
Yeah.
You understand? We also do what? And you know we have a school, Abi? We have one of the best schools with the best teachers. Where we do, what do we do in the school? We arrange students to write what? Very good JAM, very good WAEC. We prepare them. We have the best preparation class for that. Very good NECO. Very good what? GCE. If you want to take TOEFL, we have PhD students that coach people on TOEFL. So those are the things we do. And now we are starting a new program that after learning with us, if you feel you've not learned, we have money back guarantee. We'll pay you back your money. That's what we will now do in our software engineering school. So henceforth, after learning, if you feel you've not learned, you have a money back guarantee. You can't get it anywhere else. This is the only place you can get it. So once I'm done, I can put a picture. So everybody stop typing now. Try putting a picture. Later you can furnish your work. So how do you put a picture? If I click here, can you see where I've clicked? Please make sure you're doing this so that you don't miss out on putting picture. Then I come and click here. Can you see here more options? Is everybody seeing more options? So this block of line, if I want to insert before, I can click on insert before. That's where I want to put. So once you click that, you're going to see this. So I'm going to click on this plus and you'll see images. So once I click on images, it's going to take me to, do I want to install from image I already have or upload? I'm uploading from my system. So I'm going to click on upload. So I'm going to now go to where I save this image on my system. And this image is on desktop. It's on image I want to pick is on Tclassified pics. The recent image I snapped is on JPEG. So I'm going to see my schools there. So I'm going to pick out this image first. That's the first image I want. You can see it's loading. The image is loading out. The image is loading out. So simple and so sweet. Like you people's network are having problem. Huh? So you can see the image is loaded out. These are my students in Tclassified. So I'm going to add another image. So I'm gonna say we have good hands to take you in software engineering, headed by the director, Tclassified.com, Mr. Augustine, Emeka, Ekene. So once I put that, I can simply come here and click on more options. Insert after, no longer before, after. So I'm trying us to learn these two ways of inserting. So I'm going to click on block, image. Then I'm going to go to upload. So I'm going to pick the image I'm putting. So I'm going to pick these two images. So I'll put the first one. Let me put this one first. You can see the image is uploading now. The image is uploading and it's fully uploaded. So if I want to put another image, I'm teaching you now how to put plenty image. I click on another plus, image again, upload image. Then I put my other image. It's going to upload again. So that is how you bring in images. So you can see that this website is making a whole lot of sense. So once I'm done, I'm going to simply go and click on what? Publish. You can see publish here. So I'll click on publish. So you can see once I'm done publishing, it pops out this view post. So I can click on view post to see this very post. So you can now see this is my website with the header and everything. If I scroll down, I can now see this post, Tclassified.com Software Engineering School, where I have my students' pictures. I have write-up telling me about Tclassified.com, that we are the best software engineering training school in Nigeria. Here we teach programming, coding, graphics, Excel, WordPress, Flutter, Jira project management tools, search engine optimization, digital marketing, and we also have a school where we prepare students, the best school for preparing students who are willing to write JAM, NECO, WAEC, GC, and TOEFL. And we are assuring our clients that after learning with us for the software engineering, this assurance is for the software engineering. If you feel you've not learned, we'll give you back your money. At the expiration of the duration of your course, that's when you get your money back. So join us now at the state of our state-of-the-art facility in Gwagwalada, Abuja. We now have accommodation for those not residing. So even if you're not in Abuja, you can come and have lectures with us. We have accommodation. Join immediately as the bonanza lasts for this month alone. So all this offer at the price we are giving it now is lasting for this month alone. After this month, we are going to increase the price. So if you want to join as a digital audience, you can also hook up with us. Most of our lectures and most of our materials are on our website, www.jamwaecnecouni.com. If you have somebody preparing to write WAEC, write NECO, you go there, you see all the past questions that you need, most of the things you need, lectures, very sweet prepared lectures, you see them there. You can also call my phone number so that I can add you to the programming group that we are using now, where we'll give further information, where people can ask questions from morning till night and get answers. So get this my number and send me hi on WhatsApp and tell me that you want to join the programming class If you want to join the Ekene class, you also tell me you want to join the Ekene class. So anyone you tell me, I'm going to add you up. So we have good hands that can take you in all these courses. And the head of teaching is me, the director of Tclassified.com. My name is Augustine Emeka Ekene. So this is me, and I'm going to be teaching you software programming, graphics with my other workers here, and you will enjoy it. So that's what we have. And now we have our logo, we have our header. You can see our fine logo. We have about us and contact us. We have all the posts that we've done. We have the recent posts. If you go down, you're now going to see our what? You can post comments. If you write, if somebody comments, you can post this comment, and you will now have that copyright 2020. This is powered by Tclassified.com. So those are things we have. And I expect every one of you now to finish up your website and make it act the way it should be. It should act. So add other things to your portfolio. Make your portfolio presentable. Make it good. So when I hand this work over to Kashmir, I will expect Kashmir not to just have about us, contact us. He should have under this contact us, apart from my address. Kashmir, are you listening? You go to Google app. Locate this Tclassify on Google app. Screenshot the picture. You understand? And the way I did this post, go to the contact us page and add the picture. Is that clear? I want people to be able to see me in my address, call me. You understand? Team also us on Google Map. You understand? So that's, in fact, that's the first thing you're going to do today. So go to contact us, work on it. You understand? Go to about us, write more things, and bring more pictures about Tclassify. I'm going to send you more pictures. Is that clear? So those are the first thing you're going to do. Then I'll be giving you instructions on other pages that I want to have. Is that clear? So I'm going to give you access to this my site so that you can always, or I'm going to even copy the whole folder to you. So you continue working on it and update it. Is that clear? So that's where we are signing off. If you have any question, ask your question or ask your mates. So when I join back again, that's when you can ask me other questions. Thank you. God bless you. See you when I see you.